Imagine creating any image you can dream of just by typing a few words. No drawing skills, no expensive software, and no cost. Yep, 100% free AI art. Forget generic stock photos or hours of design work. Today, I'm showing you 5 incredible AI text-to-image generators that are completely free. Stick around because the last tool on this list is going to blow your mind and change how you think about creating visuals forever. Alright, first up, the perfect start to AI art, Craiyon, formerly DALL-E Mini. This is where many people start because it's just so simple to use. Let's run the prompt and let's fast forward a bit because its generation is, shall we say, a little leisurely. As you can see, all the images look a bit weird or just not quite up to par. Did you know that sometimes the funnier the prompt, the weirder the result here? It also has different styles. Let's try the V4 drawing style. While it's generating, let's check out some other stuff. Like size, different options are there, but if you want that crisp 16:9 or vertical 9:16, both need a pro version. There's an exclude option. You can try to exclude any object or anything specific from the image. And a private option to make your images private, but yeah, that also needs a pro version. Classic, right? Looks like the image for V4 drawing style is finally getting generated. Let's fast forward again. And the image still looks weird and not quite up to the mark. Honestly, Craiyon is great for a laugh or a quick, rough concept sketch. But if you're looking for something polished, something that actually looks good, you'll definitely want to wait for the next tools, especially tool number 1. Stepping up significantly, we have Deep AI. This platform offers a range of models, and their text-to-image generators deliver impressive style and detail without, surprisingly, a huge price tag. Let's run the prompt. Images look good and are generated super quickly compared with Crayon's snail pace. Seriously, a night and day difference. We can choose different models here: Standard, HD, and Genius, though Genius is only available with a subscription. In Preferences, you get 2 options, speed and quality. Let's quickly generate an image with the quality preference. Even with quality selected, the image still generated fast. I'd say speed is definitely acceptable here, and the image generated looks noticeably better in quality. Now for the fun part, there are over 100 styles to choose from. Let's scroll through and pick one. So many options, it's almost overwhelming. Let's try watercolor painting generator. Wow, the image has significantly improved this time. It actually looks like a painting, not some abstract blob. And check this out, there are options for shape or image resolution, and guess what? Now all of them are free to select. Let's try 16:9 for a widescreen look. Oh my, the image looks too good now. Stunning image. Looks too real to be real. Let's try a completely different style, surreal graphics generator. It totally matches the style. This is a cool website to generate images, isn't it? But here's the real test. Let's try the Craiyon prompt we used before. A cat wearing a top hat, riding a bicycle, cartoon style. Wow, much better now. Look at that crispness. Let's apply a futuristic style to it. A cat in a suit on a metallic cycle, a realistic image. This tool is absolutely worth using for that alone. Now, let's try one of my favorite tools, a real powerhouse that I use a lot and personally prefer these days, Google Image Effects. But just a heads up, it's only available in a few selected countries right now. So try to open the link in the description and I really hope it works for you. If not, feel free to skip to the next tool. But I'm telling you, you'd be missing out on my personal favorite. Let's type in our prompt. It takes some time to generate, but believe me, it's absolutely worth it. Just look at the quality and how appealing these images are. They look like they came straight out of a professional photo shoot. Wow. But it's not just the quality, it also gives you fantastic options for styles. Let's try minimal. It should show some difference, but if you noticed, it has dropped down and shows different, more refined options related to it, like detailed. Yeah, now we can really see the difference in the burger. It's plain now. Let's quickly try sketchy. Good. Now we have 2 sketchy images. It's pretty neat how it gives you these variations. The really good part is you can generate as many as you want, and it always gives you 4 variations to choose from. That's a huge advantage. Let's peek at the setting options. We have a seed, which you can use to make consistent images, which is super handy for refining a specific idea. For the model, the only option is best quality, because, well, it's Google. They're not messing around, are they? And for aspect ratio, all the major ones are here. 16:9 for cinematic vibes or 9:16 for your vertical content. I just love its quality and accuracy. Seriously, try it out yourself. This is a powerhouse, no doubt about it. But what if you want even more control over variations or quick edits, or perhaps the ultimate in real-time creative guidance? Keep watching, because our next two tools push those boundaries even further. You won't want to miss the grand finale. To access Revo Art, you have to log in, so feel free to do that now. Let's dive in and see what it can do. Here's our prompt, and here are our first 4 different variations of images. It's a little slow to generate, but the images are worth the wait. Wow, these are good, detailed images. I especially like the purple sky that makes it feel even more haunted. In this image, the moon is more highlighted, and in this one, there's more dramatic lighting. Good stuff. Let's check out the settings now. We can select different variations, 1, 2, 4, or even 8. Talk about choices. There's also an enhanced toggle which can help optimize the prompt we've shared. It'll add more detail to give a more precise result. And a seed option. It's set to auto, but you can add one manually as well to have image consistency. And look at this, more aspect ratios, and all of them are free to use. Let's try that Santorini Greece prompt that we used in Deep AI. Even better images. And we even got 2 images that look like they could be the cover of a magazine or a book. Seriously good quality stuff. But the features aren't done yet. Here's one more feature that I personally love. Edit the image. Let's select the image we'd like to edit. How about we surround the castle with a river or a lake? That would be classic. And here's the magic. A castle with surrounding water. It's like having Photoshop built right in. The only reason I've put this in 4th place is because it has a daily free credit limit. I think 100 initial credits and 20 daily is enough to do a lot, but it's not completely free. But don't worry, the last tool, that's free, and the quality is amazing. Trust me, you'll want to stick around. Now, let's try the best free image generator. Completely free to use with tons of options and lots of existing images. I'm excited to show you this. It's Gentube.app. Feel free to log in to access it, and let's try our first image. Magical image, a deer with lighting antlers. It's really matching the prompt, but that's not all. You can modify it so easily. Let's play with its settings. Even if you need, you can enhance your prompt, change the aspect ratio. All those basic features we've seen in other tools are here. But what makes this different and easy to use is the right side block panel. You can change subjects, places, styles, etc. directly from there. Let's try it one by one. Let's try Bigfoot. Bigfoot with sneakers. For places, let's try AI 3D animation. More realistic image, let's try Japanese garden. Here you go, a unique image. Now for style, let's try 4K real. Amazed. Stunning image, looks too much real to be real, but overall good detailing, good sharpened image. And get this, you can also create your own style or place. You can check all the images you've generated so far, one by one. Let's try ImageFX's burger prompt and compare it. Source is overflowing, but it's an amazing real photo. Even if you don't like it, just regenerate it. Here's another amazing image. Let's try Reveillart's Haunted Castle prompt. This is really matching a vibe. 2 moons making it more horrible, but the quality and vibe are top-notch. Let's try changing the style to enhance it. WTF, it's much, much better. Even I didn't expect this. Wow, see each detailing, mountain, tree, crows, castle detailing. So, there you have it, all the top 5 free tools for AI image generation. If you really ask me, it was genuinely difficult to choose between RevArt, ImageFX, and Gentube. They all have unique benefits and amazing image quality. Now, it's your time to try them out and add a comment telling me which one you feel is the best free tool for your needs. If this video helped you unlock your creative potential and you had a little fun, please hit that like button, subscribe for more AI breakthroughs, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching and happy creating. See you next time.